Welcome to this channel. I already created desktop for Ubuntu. Now I am creating a video for Red Hat Linux. You can see right side it is written Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and it is interesting to see how it looks. This is Red Hat desktop, and you can go to the terminal. Here is the terminal, and usually we do everything here. Also we have a storage here. You can see home. Inside home, document, download, music, picture, video. Okay, and this is home, this is browser, this is website, and Red Hat Linux, redhat.com. To use Red Hat Linux you have to create an account and you have to download Red Hat, actually free. Red Hat download Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, so from developer platform, here from this link you have to download Red Hat Linux and install. Maybe I will create a video to show how to install Red Hat Linux in computer. I will create a real video, not virtual machine. And Red Hat Linux, maybe it needs 6 or 8 gigabit RAM. It needs to check hardware requirement. Anyway, this is Red Hat Linux desktop, and it is different, not different, looks same. How it difference? Why it is different? We use DNF to install or yum. Okay, let's say it should be in sudo root. Okay, and right here date, it will show date. Calendar, it will show calendar. CD here. So this is, I'm in the root. If you go to type ls root, so it is listing all in the root. CD root. Okay, ls. So here is some file. This is the main configuration file. Someone doing something here, I don't know. Usually you should not do in the root anything. This is video file. Actually this should be here, configuration file, cat and okay, this is configuration file. Anyway, ls cd. So this is main folder in the Red Hat Linux. You can see if you type 3 is LSL. Okay, so what is Red Hat Linux? Here is, you see, I already show the same link, symbolic link. Here is L mean link, D mean directory, and this is the boot folder. It is device hard disk. This is, here is configuration file, etc. Home folder is user, and folder like document, directory, or we save some data here. Media we mount here, mount here, and this is root, and this is user bin, actually binary. Anyway, this is for log. This thing I am creating video for intermediate and advanced level. If you did not watch beginner video, you may watch, it will be good. So this is Red Hat Linux. Okay, cat etc. There are many files. Yes, you can see. There are many files here. Anyway, clr host name. So host name, this is the host name. Host IPA. So here is the computer IP. It is showing how Red Hat Linux work. It is much better for industrial enterprise. Usually they use it. This is IP version 6 inet. Okay, if you want to do SSH IP address, username, let's say username X, and then IP address x.x.x.x, and then if you type enter, it will ask password. Okay, and it is unknown, that's why it does not exist, it will not work. So you have to provide a real IP address and it will work. Anyway, this is how Red Hat Linux desktop. Okay, here you can go and lock and check Anyway, if you are interested, you can watch my videos. I will create more videos ongoing and tutorial. Already some are done. This is root. If you want to do something in the root, how to install, I can show DNF. Let's say remove vim nano. Okay, DNF. If you want to do some administrative task, you have to use DNF. I am removing nano editor. Type Y to remove. Okay, this is removed. Now, if you want to install DNF, install nano. So it takes some time. It is downloading from the repositories, and subscription manager works here. I will create a video for subscription manager repositories. Have to connect. It takes time. It is not. It is downloading data, and then it will install. This is repositories, base, app. So you can watch. This is how Red Hat Linux use DNF or EM to install or remove or update anything to do in the system. Need to do it. It took 33 seconds and 24 roughly 1 minute for 57 seconds and 6. So now it is saying 2.7 megabit. It is now installing. Okay, it is installation done. All right. So DNF update, this update. This will update. I'm not going to do this thing. It will take more time. DNF uses to update, upgrade, and install, remove packages or software. And let's say LVM. Sorry, quit. Not this LVM. LV display. So it will say logical volume details. Okay. This is you can resize this. Let me size 70 gigabit. If I see my data is more and hard disk size is less, and if I have free space, I can resize this. I can extend, or even I can reduce. But F disk we cannot do it. If this is a fixed. Okay, this is LV size 503 gigabit. All right. Thank you very much to watch this, and I hope you will watch other videos. Thank you.